Welcome to EXPLAINCAD. In this video, we will know about coincident mate. First of all, I insert components. This component, open, OK. Now select this part, right click, float, select visibility, select origin. Now go to mate, select this origin of assembly and origin of this part. OK, hide it. Insert some other component. Now go to mate selections. I select this upper face of this part, lower face of this part. OK, coincident. OK. Again select this face and this face. Coincident mate. OK. Select this face and this face. Coincident. OK. In coincident mate, the faces are aligned with each other and connected with each other. Like this face and this face are attached. This face and this face. And these faces are also attached with each other. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.